Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome in lecture 02, example 01, part C3. Student, in part C1, we covered the direct method to find the area of steel, right? In C2, we covered, in part C2, we covered the tabular method to find the same area of steel. While in present method, which is part C3, it is known as graphical method. This is all about the graphical method, and from in this method you will see that how we will find the area of steel. I have already discussed these design graphs in part 11, I think so. So my FC prime value is 3k psi, we already know. My Fy is 60k psi, we already know this. And my Mu by Bd square, which we have already calculated, is 4 at 4 p psi, or 0.4 at 4 k psi. So we need to find out the rho value, right? And we will calculate this rho value from this graphs. That's why this method is known as graphical method. I have already discussed these graphs. In this graphs you will see here, this graph is drawn for 3k psi steel. These graphs are available in McCormick book, McGregor book, in the last pages. So from where these graphs are also available online, right? So let me discuss this graph. My Mu divided by Bd square value is 0.4 at 4. So roundabout this value is my 0.4 at 4 k psi, right? This is in k psi units. And if I draw a straight line here, and this is my Fy value, so I just draw a perpendicular right here, and here this is interesting to understand how we will got the value from this. If you note right here, this value is 0.0100 and this value is 0.015. So here you can see we have 5 digits, right? We have 5 digits, will be 0.011, right? Similarly, this value is 0.012, this value is 0.013, this is 0.014, and this is 0.015. So this value is 0.011. Now we need this value, right? So here is my value is 0.0100 and here is my value is 0.011. So my value is round about here. Now here we can approximately choose the value, our calculated value. If we assume this is the center of this division, so the center of this division will be 0.0105, right? So my value is, we can say it is approximately at the mid value, at the midpoint. If we assume that this is approximately at the mid, so the mid value will be 0.010. So here, if it starts from 1 to 5, so the mid value will be round about to 5. So that's why my value is, this is my rho value, that rho value will be 0.0102, which is approximately close to the previous one, right? Which is the same one, or approximately, if we use 5. So in the previous part, in the previous methods, in direct method we see the row value is 0.0102, while in tabular method we will got the same value for 0.0102. Similarly, in graphical method the row value is also 0.01025, which is closed. So that why my area of steel will be row times BD, and same amount of steel 3.31 square inches. So you can see all these three methods give me the same reinforcement, and we will provide 6 number 7 bar, or we will provide 6 8 number 6 bar. Right? This winds up this method here, and the last method, which is the most important method, which is method number 4, will be the trial and error method. We will discuss this method in C4. So see you in that part. Thank you for watching.